Ball straight up in the air. Smith says, get out of the way. I want this. Go on, England have their first. And it's Archer. Watching.
Oh, shoulders, arms, and he's walking. He's not even waiting almost. Cass, after the full wide one and lured Naya into the false shot.
Close, and again. And what will Shubman Gill do this time?
Original decision out, pitching outside off.
Dramatic moments at the end of the fourth day's play. Ball in, what an end to the day. Stumps flattened the end of a fantastic day's play and sets it up.
Gone! Top of off stump. Archer finds the length. And he gets the wicket, the crucial wicket of Rishabh Pant. What a delivery this is. Oh, now LBW shout. Stokes very interested. It nipped a long way back. Stokes is saying, why not? Root's saying he's a long way back. Skipper.
It's two sounds now, whether it's back first pad, he goes up.
Original decision not out, pitching outside off. Impact.
Brilliant appeal.
He's got him! Archer diving away to his right, one-handed, and washing.
Oh, now is there an edge there? It is! Right on the stroke of lunch, it is the wizard that is Wokes. He has run off towards the...
Oh, this is Sky. It's an opportunity, backing back with it. It's taken. The breakthrough has finally come. It's the sub. It's Sam Cook on for Bashir, and it's Wokes.
Oh! Can you believe it? What a way for this test match to end. Shoaib Bashir, broken finger on his left hand, has spun one onto Siraj's bat. It's rolled back onto the stumps. Off the bat, onto leg stump and dislodged the bail. Seen this happen a lot where the bail hasn't come off recently, actually, but it just spun back enough and the bail just dropped off.
How unlucky was that? I mean, the ball has spun a long way after pitching. And the England team jubilant.